The buttons used in Code Blue speakerphones utilize piezoelectric technology that have self-monitoring capabilities and contain no moving parts, so they won't stick, jam, or deteriorate over time. This video provides basic information for the installation and updating of buttons on existing speakerphones. To begin, remove the 6 proprietary screws from your Code Blue unit and remove all power from the phone. Next, place the speakerphone face down on a clean, flat surface to avoid scratching the faceplate and remove the 4 screws securing the phone case. Make sure you are grounded for this next step. Remove the 2 standoffs. Note that if your phone only has a single button, these will be the only 2 you'll need to remove. If your phone has 2 buttons or a keypad, then you'll also need to remove the nut at the top of the PCB. Remove all wires attached to the PCB. Carefully remove the PCB and place it in an area where it will not be damaged by static electricity. Unscrew the lock nut connecting the button to the bezel. You are now free to remove and replace the buttons. First, insert the new button into the bezel opening. The button should rest flat when replaced. Now return the lock nut to the button and tighten it to the bezel. Place the PCB onto the 2 studs of the bezel, including the top right stud of the small bezel, if your phone has 2 buttons. Be careful not to over-tighten the nuts or standoffs to avoid breaking a stud or cracking the PCB. Attach the buttons, speaker wires, and ribbon cable to the PCB. If you have a keypad, attach it as well. Now simply secure the case with the 4 screws and return your phone to the enclosure. And there you have it. Your speakerphone is now equipped with brand new buttons. If you have any additional questions, please contact Code Blue customer service at 1-800-205-7186 or email customerservice@codeblue.com.